Hello, if you are wondering if you can switch lenses while recording a video on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, then we're gonna check that in this video. So I'm gonna start recording a video, and now as you can see I don't have the option to switch to the front camera, so it is impossible to switch. However, we will see if we can actually use different lenses. So over here right now I'm in zoom 1, so this is the actually no zoom at all, and if I try to go to ultra wide, then it actually works, so we can freely change the camera lens to ultra wide, and we can also zoom in order to use different lens as well. So you can see that the lenses have switched actually due to the shift of position. There we go, you can see the jump over here. So if we go above ×2 or ×3 actually, then we use a different lens, so we can actually change the lens, switch lenses when we record a video. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.